Hi guys, so here's just a quick video that will show you the directions if you'd rather instead of reading them for the Reader's Workshop retelling assignment where you're going to retell the story of the mitten. Really simple, so all I do is click on the website vocaroo.com. Then once I get there, I'm going to click this red button to start recording. So make sure you're ready before you press the button. It could be that a pop-up window will come up on your computer. It did it for me the first time, and it's just going to ask you if you will let the computer use your microphone, and just click allow. Once you click that red circle, like I said, it'll start recording. You can see the time going there. When I'm done recording me retelling the mitten, then I can click the red square to stop. Then click save and share. It'll generate a link for you. All you'd have to do is copy that, and then you can email this. You can send it to your teacher in an email, or this is an old assignment, but what you could also do is you could just put it in the comments of an assignment to your teacher and submit it that way too. Either way would be an option. So you can email it or you can submit it as a comment in an assignment. All right, hopefully that was simple. Enjoy it. Try not to get too worried about the technology aspect of it. It was just something fun we thought would be new and fun to try. Bye, guys.